Class 4 GK Chapter 4 Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have scales on their body are called reptiles. Pictures of some reptiles are given below. Search and encircle their names in the word search grid with the help of clue box given below. Number 1 crocodile, crocodile. Number 2 turtle, turtle, turtle. Number 3 snake, snake, snake. Number 4 lizard, lizard, lizard. Number 5 tortoise, tortoise. Number 6 chameleon, chameleon. Number 7 alligator, alligator, alligator. Number 8 viper, viper, viper.